Hey guys, it is me, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a volcano. It may not be a perfect volcano, but if you know how to do it, then just scroll down. This may not be a perfect volcano because I'm not a professional artist. Now, if I had my art teacher here with me, then it would look good. But there's no art teacher here with me. So the first thing is to get your color brown. Well, first thing is to get all your colors. That is the first thing, is to get the colors. You're going to need the colors. I don't have that much color pencils, so it's going to be like that. But you gotta get all your colors. I have 3 colors that I know that would be good for it. Wait, no, hold on. 4 colors that I know would be good for it. Now, I'm having to hold my phone because I don't really have a GoPro or anything. But let's start with the brown by making it. So we're going to be making a cinder cone volcano. Okay? So, okay, you know what? I'm going to stick y'all guys over here. This is me. See, I'm going to draw it first, and then I'm going to hold it like this so y'all can see it. Okay? And then after a couple seconds, I'm gonna go on to the next one. So, in the center page, draw a U, and then get one edge and go down. Get the other edge and go down. Okay? So it'll look like this. Can't see it here. Okay? Y'all have that? Okay. So, what next you need to do is make 3 lines. These lines may not be perfect, but like that. Y'all have it? Okay. Alright. Get your orange or red, anything. I have an orange and a red, so I'm going to be doing that. And just make your lava come down to like this, like the ground, and color it in. So I'm going to color it in with orange, and then I'm going to get red and just shade it in with red. Like make a little fade of red. Or you can do a fade of orange if it's best for you. But this is what it should look like. If you want to, you can make it more wider and go more down or more taller if you want. But y'all don't have to copy me. Y'all can do something else. And on the same side, you do it again, but if you want to, you can make it bigger and make it go down some more. Okay, here we go. Oh, and my brother isn't there doing his homework. So, if he comes in, I'm still making the video. I told him to be quiet. Subscribe, comment below what favorite video. What other drawings do you want me to post? Yeah, what other drawings do you want me to draw? I'll draw them. Nothing I don't know. Okay, so don't do cars, nothing. Don't do cars or any of that. You can do a rainbow, a heart, another volcano. But like, it can be active if you want. Because this is what one of them should look like. This may not be perfect, but it's the best I can do. And I don't have a big paper like this man and his child had. Because, I do, but like it's a poster. And it's back to my project. Now I was planning on hanging it up. So I just use a sheet of paper. And I am 10 years old. Just to let y'all know. I am 10 years old. 10. Just to let y'all know that, just to let y'all know. Okay, so if you want, get your orange or red. And just make little fades if you want. Like at the top is very dark. But then it gets like lighter or something. Now mine's pink because I don't really have a red. Mine's violet red. But and this is what mine looks like. It's orange and pink like mixed together because I don't have a red, so I'm having to use a pink. Okay. Now to make your volcano explode, you may have to have a black. So I'm going to get a black or my pencil for a little outline. And you go like just a big explosion. Like you can do it like that. I'm going to trace it, but like you can do it like that. Or just make it go crazy or something. But yeah, that's blue. And then black. Y'all, I don't think I have them. Oh, found it right here. Yeah, black. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna go over it with a black. I'm gonna go over it with a black, so you can go over it with a marker, crayon, colored pencil, or you can just leave it with a pencil. So I'm gonna just real quick, since I'm already tracing everything, I'm gonna go ahead and just trace the volcano. Yeah. Hold on, guys, my phone's almost dead. I'm gonna check it real quick. 10%. I don't think I can make it through. But here's what mine looks like. So get your orange and red again, or pink. I'm gonna use orange because it has pink and I don't think it'll go well. And just color inside. Do not go outside the lines. Color inside. Because like it's exploding and it's coming out of a volcano. See, usually the other guy, he draws it all first and then he colors in. But I do it both. I do both. I draw it and then color in. So like if I drew, see, I'm not gonna color this in because this will take a whole bunch of time. And anyway, I color fast, but it'll take a whole bunch of time. Because my phone like we're almost dead. It's on 10%. Yeah. If you want to, you can leave some whites in there and just fill it in with a red. I'm gonna do that, but like once I get a red, I like post it, and then and I just made it outside the line. So try your best not to make it outside the line. Okay. So this is mine. It is exploding. See, yeah, mine is not the best, but where'd my brown go? Mine is not the best out of all the pictures I made, but hey, I'm at least trying. I don't know why I'm even doing this whenever I can't even draw. I just lost my brown color pencil. Oh, whoops. I just lost my brown color pencil, y'all. Oh, found it. So if you hadn't colored in your volcano, get your brown, color in, and just go. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward. It may not be a lot. Okay, so it may not be like regular, like when the camera shows like from above and you can see it more better. because I don't really have a stand. I have to do like this and show it to y'all. So y'all can either do a dark brown or a light brown. I'm doing a dark because my like active. Okay, guys, my phone is on 5%, so I have to go. And I can already tell because it goes 15, and then 10, and then 5, and then 1, and then 3, and then 2, and then 1, and then stays at 0. So I have to go quick. I have to go quick, guys. Like quick. Make sure to comment down below what I should draw, and if you like a shout out, because yes, I will start giving out shout outs. Maybe soon if I get a GoPro, I'll make some Gacha Life videos. Maybe more drawings I can do. Okay, so this is a volcano. If you want to, you can get your gray and just put gray all around as ash cloud. I'm not gonna do that. So this is what yours should look like if you want that. Now, guys, comment down below what is your favorite video and what should I draw next. And if you want a shout out, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and I'll see you. Oh, and give this video 100,000 likes. Goodbye.